cosmic journey, let me shed light on our solar system. The 8 planets, beginning with the Sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Once deemed the 9th planet, Pluto, is no longer considered part of our planetary lineup. In reality, the planets orbit around the Sun are not perfect circles, but an elliptical path. For example, this elliptical orbit means that the distance between Earth and the Sun varies throughout the year. The closest point is called perihelion, around 91 million miles, and the farthest is aphelion, about 94.5 million miles. Approaching the Sun at an average distance of about 93 million miles, or 150 million kilometers, we encounter a celestial powerhouse. Observe solar flares, occasionally reaching remarkable heights. Vigilance is essential to evade the Sun's formidable gravitational pull and potentially fiery consequences. Our inaugural destination in the solar system is Mercury. This innermost planet is a rocky, airless world with extreme temperature variations. Days can scorch at about 427 degrees Celsius, while nights plummet to minus 180 degrees Celsius. Mercury's surface is adorned with impact craters, and it completes an orbit around the Sun in just about 88 Earth days. Navigating beyond, Venus captivates with its entrancing beauty, but beware, temperatures can soar to a scorching 462 degrees Celsius, hotter than Mercury, despite being farther from the Sun. The thick atmosphere traps heat, creating an inhospitable environment for exploration. Before venturing into the furthest realms of our known universe, let's take a moment to gaze at our own planet Earth, where everything we love, own, and cherish awaits our safe return. Proceeding to our beloved moon, a celestial muse in legends and tales. Its captivating beauty, often poeticized, conceals its scientific significance as Earth's natural satellite. The moon, approximately 384,400 kilometers away, influences tides, stabilizes Earth's rotation, and played a pivotal role in human space exploration. As we cross our nearest neighbor, Mars, be prepared to pass through the asteroid belts. Mars, our nearest planet, is the 4th planet from the Sun and the 2nd smallest planet in our solar system. It is larger than only Mercury. Mars happens to carry the name of the Roman god of war, and in Sanskrit, Mars was called Mangal. It is also called the Red Planet. This striking reddish color is due to the effects of the iron oxide that is present on the surface. Mars is also a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere. Its surface, as you can see, has craters, valleys, dunes, and even polar ice caps. Oops, don't worry, our fellow travelers. You all will be safe. Just a few little collisions from these wayward asteroids. Please rest assured that your spaceship is capable of handling them all. Well, almost all. As we fly around Jupiter, the fifth planet from the Sun, and also which is the largest in our solar system, this gas giant has a mass that is more than 2.5 times of all the other planets in the solar system combined. So we should be careful that we are not caught in its massive gravitational force and get sucked in. What you are seeing now is the Great Red Spot on Jupiter. It is the giant storm that is raging on since it has been discovered by telescopes in the 17th century. We wouldn't want to be caught in it, would we? Since time immemorial, humans have been noticing Jupiter in the night sky and named it after the Roman god. In Sanskrit, our texts have identified Jupiter for thousands of years and called it Brihaspati. Did you know the famous Kumbh Mela in Prayagraj, which happens every 12 years, actually follows the timeline for the revolution of Jupiter's journey around the Sun? Jupiter completes its one revolution around the Sun in 12 years, and Kumbh Mela happens every 12 years to commemorate it. We have passed some of the moons of Jupiter of the many unknown and the 80-odd that is known so far. Let us move onward to one of the most spectacular sights of our solar system. Saturn. One of the most spectacular planets of our solar system is at an immense distance of 1.4 billion kilometers from the Earth. As we pass over its most notable feature, the ring system, we look on in awe. This ring system is composed of ice particles and smaller rocky debris and dust. It is the sixth planet from the Sun, and also the second largest in our solar system. It is also a gas giant with an average radius of about 9.5 times that of our Earth. That makes Saturn almost 95 times more massive than our Earth. Of all the 83 moons that have been known to orbit Saturn, we have only been able to officially name 53 of them. As we speed up on our space odyssey, we cross the next 3 planets of our solar system. We pass over Uranus, and on to the outer planets called Neptune. and finally beyond Pluto. The sun is nothing but a tiny speck of light, and our Earth cannot be seen anymore. We have crossed over 7 billion kilometers from our Earth. As we step into the Kuiper Belt, an icy ring similar to that of Saturn's, but 20 times as wide and some places 200 times as massive. We are now in interstellar space at over 10 billion kilometers from the Earth. As we speed out, we pass the dwarf planets of Eris and Sedna at 100 billion kilometers. But our journey does not end here. We have still not even scratched the surface of the enormous size of our universe. We now travel beyond 1 trillion kilometers into distance. Witness Alpha Centauri as we journey farther. Alpha Centauri is a triple star system. Beyond this, I will let you all experience the universe as your journey. In your thoughts, as you feel yourselves as one with this incredible vastness. Continuing our cosmic voyage, we encounter the Procyon binary star system. As we journey through space, we encounter Capella, a prominent star system in the constellation Orion. Capella is approximately 42.92 light-years away from Earth. Moving forward, we approach the Pleiades cluster, a stunning open star cluster in the Taurus constellation, also known as the Seven Sisters. It consists of hot, young stars formed from the same cosmic cloud. As we glide past the captivating Orion Nebula, a stellar nursery in the Orion constellation, this colossal cloud of gas and dust spans about 24 light-years and serves as the birthplace of new stars. As we traverse the cosmic expanse, we encounter the Sagittarius cluster, also known as Messier 22, a globular cluster in the Sagittarius constellation. This cluster contains a multitude of stars densely packed together. Leaving behind our home galaxy, the Milky Way.